Hey everyone, I am back with the second part of our cute little accordion album. Everything in here is from the March subscription kit, and I do have tutorials for all of them. I'll try to get those linked down below because they'll also give you instructions on how to do it if you don't have the March kit and you just want to make it from whatever you already have, which is absolutely doable. So either way. But this is going to be really easy because I'm just going to step through and show you how I'm going to go ahead and put all of the ephemera in, but all of the ephemera is already made, so it's going to come together really fast. You can see that I have sewn around the edges of these. Really, really beautiful straight sewing. Anyway, it's not, but it's a junk journal, so it's okay. So I went and sewed around each of these. It took 2 minutes, and now we are ready to assemble this awesome little kit. All right, let's go ahead and just start. So I have these really beautiful tall pockets that I made, and I thought that would go really well in this kind of taller album. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. These have the little flaps on them so that you don't have to worry at all about taking up any extra space with glue in those tall, skinny pockets. So hopefully that will save you a little space. Ooh. And hopefully my glue will cooperate. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little, just holding those little extras down. All right. So that's going to come in here, and I'll just let that dry for 2 seconds before I go ahead and put this back in. Give it some weight. All right, let's see. On this page, let's go ahead and do this. Now, this has a back to it, so I can turn this into a tall pocket, which I think I'm going to do, and then I'll have to make another tag later to add back in that back pocket because we have the space. So why not? So I'm going to glue this little pocket in as a pocket by just gluing down those 3 sides. And just like that, it is a pocket in and of itself. So now this one's probably dry enough. I can go ahead and put my cute little journal card in there. And that is really cute. All right. Oh, it would be fun to put another fun little, oh, I don't know. That little pocket just gives you so many opportunities for fun. So I can't wait to decide what to do there. Oh yes, I made this huge cascading kind of a journaling place. So you can journal on the back of all of these, and they all have these beautiful collages on the front, and this is the perfect place for that because it's the perfect shape, tall and skinny. I did add in the back of this, I had mentioned on the tutorial that it'd be fun to add a little pocket there, so I did add this tiny pocket with just a scrap that I had that I just turned into journaling and glued a cute little fussy cut on the front. So all right, I'm going to go ahead and glue that in. I'm going to do this with, because it is heavier, I'm going to go ahead and use my glue stick because it gets every inch of that. But I'm also going to go ahead around the edges and just support it with some of my art glitter glue because it's just really, really good for those heavier pieces too. So this is going nowhere after we get that in. So let's hope we get it straight. All right, awesome. Now this page, I did the funnest little paperclip dealios, and I had this long skinny strip of coffee dyed paper left, and I thought that would be such a cute journaling card. So I am going to paperclip that in, but I wanted something a little extra. So the kit has these tiny little envelopes, And I glued paper on the back of that because I didn't print it double-sided. So I glued it down so when you took her out, you would have something cute to look at too. So I have this cute little envelope and this cute little journal card, and I'm going to use it with a cute little clip and just clip that into my journal. So, all right, so that side is done. I just need to come up with something really fun to put back in this back pocket right here that I just created when I made that. So that will be easy. For now, to remind myself, in fact, that is cute. I might just keep it. I have this halfway made pocket, and I can just maybe use that as a tag, add an eyelet and some lace or something. So we'll stick that in there now to help me remember. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and just flip this over and do the back. So this is actually the front. This will be the front. I will show you. There. This is the front of our album. But you'll notice, if you can see that, I kind of had a little too much art glitter glue incident. So it's kind of bleeding through, but no worries. I grabbed a scrap of paper and I just made it to echo that, and it will just add a little extra to the collage. So I'm going to put that down. I could make that another pocket if I wanted, but I think we have enough in this kit that I'm going to be okay to just make it a pretty piece of paper. All right, and then I did a ton of these really fun little clusters and showed you how I put those together, and I just loved this one and thought it would be a really cute one for the front because it echoes that tall, skinny kind of a theme. And this is a kind of a tall, skinny album. So I'm just gonna put our cute little bunny, and that is our cover. Oh, that's what I love about these cute little clusters, is all you do is put them down and instantly you have this beautiful piece of art. So this is gonna end up being the back over here. And you can see my paper clip comes over onto the side of that. So you don't really need much because it's the back. But if you want to add a little extra, you can just tuck something into that paper clip and have another little journaling card. Or you could just glue something down and make a collage with some words. Oh, I've got here. There we go. Just make a cute little collage, a word, whatever. But for me, I just love this paper and I want to leave it blank with my cute paper clip. So totally up to you. All right, so we have these two last ones. They will be folded in, so everything in there will be secure. So I have another one of my cute tall pockets, and I love, because this is a little pocket in itself too, this cute little bird. And then we have this little guy right here. It's one of those with the flaps to not take up that space, that precious space in your tall, skinny pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little glue right there. And I'm going to put this on this page, I think. Awesome. And we'll let that dry. And then I have another one of these where I can again turn that into a tall pocket. And so I can't help it. I'm going to turn that into another tall pocket because I can. So we're going to go ahead and I guess if you wanted, you could notch this out really quick before you glued it. But I think it'll be fine because it's going to be a nice tall tag. So it'll be fine. It's totally up to you. All right. Let me get that in there. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn that into another simple pocket. All right. Oh, so cute. All right, there we go. I'm going to give that kind of a hold for a minute. This one looks nice and secure. We can put our card back in. All right, so let's give you the full rundown of this cute album without my tall tags. I'll get those. I'll think of something good. I have some good tall scraps that I can gladly use up for that. All right, here we go. The full rundown. So we have this awesome little bunny album. I have these so that I cross them over and then they just gently tie right here and you have your little tie in place. But it makes me sad to cover the bunny, but it's okay. Because when you open it, oh, look how chunky. I love it. All right. When you open it, then you have this page right here with your tag. This page here with several little pullouts, including the one I still need to finish. And then you have this really beautiful kind of a waterfall cascading journaling thing with a pocket right here. And then you have our cute little paperclip girl with our envelope and just a scrap that I'm using for journaling. And then if you flip that over, you have these 2 pages here, and I still need some tall tag to go in there, but you already have these fun 3 little ones. And you have this little guy and a nice tall pocket here, and then you're back to your front. So anyway, I love accordion albums. I love that they come together so quick and fun. And wouldn't that be just a fun little gift for someone, or a fun little, it's almost like the most amazing card you could give somebody. But anyway, really fun, really beautiful, and I will link all of the tutorials down below so you can see how we made every single one of these pieces, and you can too. Super easy. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.